The Fiesta won't even start, it's dead as a doornail. That's it for the channel. I'm having a time out. Hello everybody, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time watching this channel, this is my 1990 Mark III Ford Fiesta. And this is my 1975 Vauxhall Viva HC. Because I work on all the popular stuff everybody wants to see. Now today I'm working on the Mark III Fiesta. It's got a niggly running issue that developed after I fitted the back box last time. So I've bought new ignition leads, which probably need to be replaced anyway, because what's the life expectancy of them? 80 to 100,000 or something like that, and they're the original red Ford ones. I bought some Bosch spark plugs for it. Now, me Viva likes NGK spark plugs, but you never know. The Fiesta might like Bosch ones. Good old German engineering. Made in China. I've also got, oh, that's for the Viva, that's for an upcoming video on the Viva. Anyway, there's some matte black paint. It's not matte black because I ordered satin and then the centre's the wrong one. I can't be bothered to send it back, but there's some matte black paint. There's also some Roundup weed killer and some block paving cleaner for me project tomorrow. This isn't a gardening channel though, so let's crack on with the Ford Fiasco. Now I did have her running sweet, so I thought, what has gone wrong? Well, she's been up on the ramps. Now the issue started after replacing the back box, and I started messing about with the needling jet, thinking, it sounds like it's like starving of fuel and stuff, but I shouldn't have started messing about with that. And a few people said it sounds like it's misfiring or not firing all cylinders, and I'm thinking, could it be that? But first protocol, the issue started after replacing the back box, so let's check that. Right, let's jack it up on the soft ground and get under it. Always a good idea. Living on the edge today. Wah! We're living on the edge! I'm leaving her where she is because last time I had to rev the bejesus out of her to get her to move over there because it wouldn't stay idling. So leave her there until I sort the issue. Warning, do not jack cars up on soft or unstable surfaces. I am a professional idiot. I know exactly what I'm not doing. Looks alright, doesn't it? Well, I've got in the cars that have been like jacked up on mud and that before, but you can never be too safe. Chuck what you can under there. Extra ramps, jacksel stands, extra wheels, spare wheels, your grandma. Got some birthday cake here. It's my eldest son's 12th birthday. Just been back to pick up him and his mates from, he went to see the Minecraft movie. He's 12-year-old now. Starting to feel old. Mind you, one of my nephews said the other day, I said to him, how old do you think I am? And he said 28. Now, this isn't a coincidence. He's not the first person to say that I look 28. So just in case you're thinking, how is this young whippersnapper into Vauxhall Vivas and that? And not Honda Civic Type R's and stuff like that? It's because I'm 45. I'm not really 28. I just look it. Only kidding. I could definitely pass the 30 though. Welcome back to the channel that likes to put stuff on and take it back off again. Feels lovely lying on this sharp slate. Right then. I've got a bit of glove in there. Oh, did a good job of putting that back on. Come on. Woo! Right, I'm going to put the hoover on to blow and see if there's any restrictions in that. This is the most accurate way of checking flow restriction. Oh, what's that in there? Come on, man. This one, not that one, this one, the old one, does seem to have better flow than this one. Not a huge amount though. Not enough to make a difference like it's backed up or anything like that. But anyway, I'm going to shove this one back on for now. Solve the problem on the car, and then if we shove this one back on, it does the same, then we know it's this thing. Or attempt to solve the problems anyway. We've got the new HT leads here, we've got the spark plugs. Let's carry on cracking on. The Fiesta won't even start, it's dead as a doornail. That's it for the channel, I'm having a timeout. We'll have this. Then I'll put the battery on the Fiesta and see if that'll help it start. Who remembers Topics? Do they still do Topic bars? I used to like a Topic. What's got a hazelnut in every bite? Squirrel shit. Maybe I should explain here, I'm going to replace one spark plug on cylinder 4 because I did change it last time because of the spark plug that sheared off, but I had the correct spark plug with the correct heat capacity in it, if that's what people have said, what the numbers mean on them. So I'm replacing the one to start with, but I will replace all of them later on in the video. Incorrect heat capacity. Incorrect, man. What am I talking about? Do coils on cars, electronic coils, do they run in order like a distributor? Like either clockwise or anti-clockwise, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I mean? And that's how it shoots off under the firing order. Or is it completely different? Because all it is a like little computer thing, isn't it? With the things in it telling it when to fire which one off. So does it run, is it meant to run in order clockwise or anti-clockwise? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, let's pop the air filter back on and kick her over. Right, here goes nothing. Maybe I should have left the back box on, but then if there was a problem, then I'd have to take it off anyway, and you know what I mean. Right. Ow! Let's speed this up. I've got 20 minutes before I got to collect my pizza. Right, back box back on. Let's see. Don't know if it comes across on video, but it's got a much more angrier tone that the new exhaust like. It is a speed machine. Well, looks like it might have been a plug all along. What? Did you think I'd edit it out? Make us look cleverer than I am? Make it look like I don't do silly stuff sometimes? Like a lot of other car YouTubers. Don't play dumb with me. That's a game you can't win. Right, let's change out them plugs in them HT leads. Oh, weird man. Oh, what do you know? This lead's actually got 4 written on it. Plug it back in there. Just finished my bolognese pizza. It's getting on now, like, but it's 20 to 8 at night, but it's a nice light night to be tinkering on. I thought the Fiesta was going to be a quick turnaround, you know what I mean? Like, in reality, I haven't got that many hours to spend for a quick turn. I mean, I haven't spent that many hours on it. It's just the hours I have free. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying is, if you want us to turn over a car every week or two, 80,000 a year we're going to have to watch. So everyone who's watching now, you can watch the video 10 times. That'd be great. Yeah, meant to be a quick turnaround, but I'm falling in love with this little car, like. These are Bosch HR7DCX CN9473 or Bosch R6. I like the HT cap thing's a nice reassuring click when it goes on. And if you look closely, that's got number 2 written on it. Sweet. New HT leads, Bosch plugs. I've only put 1 screw in there because it seems to perform better when there's only 1 screw in the air intake. Just kidding, one of the screws lives down there now with a 10mm spanner. I'll fish it out another time. Right, let's kick her over, see if she still runs. I don't know if it's the plugs or the new HT leads, but she fired into life there, like super quick. And it's really responsive on the choke. But that's not a problem. I can always set the idle speed, and I need to set the, and I also need to mess with the richness as well, because I was mucking about with the idle jet. So, but they're no problems. And just crack on, getting it ready for the MOT now. So check the brakes and stuff. I don't know if it's the combination of the plugs and the HT leads, but fired into life there, fired into life. I do have some new brake pads for her, so in the next Fiesta video, hopefully it'll be the last check over her before the MOT. I do need to sort the hazard lights on her, but the windscreen wipers seem to have started working by themselves now. Not by themselves, you know what I mean. They were intermittently working, but now they're working properly. And same with the indicators are working properly now. The hazard button's a bit sticky, so we need to sort that and check over the brakes, and then off for a MOT after the next Fiesta video. Fingers crossed. But I do want to sort some bodywork on her as well, so yeah, that was fun. So she is running sweet. I need to get the MiG to take her out for another drive round there, my racetrack. The Viva, she runs sweet. She needs a good run out. What I need to do? Well, everything. Now there's loads of stuff to do on the Viva, but absolutely will take her out for a drive and bring us along in the next video. I am daft, right? I've had this for over a month now. I got it off Auntie Julia and Uncle Chris for my birthday, and I thought, oh, I've been using it for a lot of shots because it's got the lights on, so I can do like shots in the dark and that, and never even realised they extended it out until a few days ago, and that it pops into a tripod on the bottom as well. Well, yeah, whoa. Are you doing it? Does it by itself? Woo! Yeah, but it extends right out, so I can do like arty shots, like over the car stuff. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching this daft little channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep on keeping on with your projects, and don't let the bastards get you down. Until next week, ta-ra!